Hello students! In this short video, I'll show you how to log in to the Khan Academy app using the username and password given by your teacher. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store or App Store in your phone. Search for Khan Academy and tap Install. Wait for the app to finish downloading. Tap the Khan Academy icon to open the app. Step 3. On the welcome screen, tap Log in or Sign in. Do not tap Sign up. You already have an account from your teacher. Step 4. Enter the username and password your teacher gave you. Accessing assignments. So you're now logged in. Tap on assignments to see the math activities your teacher assigned. You can also explore other lessons under courses. So if you notice, you have there 2 assignments due soon, and then 8 unit mastery goals. Okay, so you have here due on Thursday, October 12. So you may prioritize first assignment. If you forgot your password, ask your teacher for help, and always log out if you're using a shared phone. That's it. You are now ready to learn with Khan Academy. If you have any questions, just ask your teacher.